Right now, we're in Bastrop, Texas at the Starlink manufacturing site, just about 20 miles east of downtown Austin. So the main function of this site is to produce our standard Starlink kits. Raw plastic pellets come in, raw aluminum comes in, and we make those into the Starlink kits and then ship them right out to customers' homes.
When you manufacture the product that you design in-house, you're forced to live with the mistakes. What that means is that you're very motivated to quickly innovate and iterate such that you can rapidly improve the process. Our previous generation of the production line was maxed out in terms of capability, and the demand for Starlink has kept growing. So when we sat down to go design this factory and this version of our production line, we were really forcing ourselves to innovate. The future of this factory is growth. We're in the middle right now of constructing an expansion to our current factory. We're going to add over 1 million square feet of manufacturing space over the course of this year and allow us to continue to insource more of our manufacturing processes so we can continue to go from raw material to completed kit within the walls of this factory. I can't understate the hard work of all the employees at this factory who've made this a reality. Less than 2 years ago, this was an empty building with no employees. And over the last 20 months, we've built a factory from scratch. We've gone from producing 0 kits to over 70,000 a week. And we've gone from 0 employees to over 1,000.